Hey girl, hey, listen. How do I say? Listen, Linda, just got off work, right? Tired. Tired, tore down. All right. But got a package and I was like, you know what? Let me sit my little self down and let me show the girls. But first things first, if you have been seeing your girls' videos this week, all right? Do you see this girl? Come on. Come on. I know you did not come here for this. But when I say crossbody, she bodying, she doing all the things. This little, and I have been saying in my videos that this is a dupe for the Coach Tabby, but it is the Coach Tabby she's a dupe for, of course, yes. But it is the Coach Quilted Tabby. Okay, if you have not seen this, now let me be transparent with you. This is not a huge bag. She's not the biggest girl. But when I tell you, like I was telling another purse sister, guys, and I know you are here for the unboxing, so you can just speed through this video if you don't want to hear, you know, this basic things that I am telling you in this video. I am me. Now, leave in the comments if this has crossed your mind, if this has crossed your mind in the least bit. I am getting back to, I know a few years ago, I said how I could change bags every day, and yeah, I can. But when I say to you, getting back to that just good old time where we really got a bag and we wore that bag. And when I say wear, I mean wear her till you almost want to throw her away, baby. That might be a little stretch. But when I say I am, and I guess this is all part of what? This is all part of being human. We, you know, we are all excited about all of the things. And I think just being human and just being a woman, being a girl, you will always want that next bag. You will always want that next item. But when I tell you that I am enjoying this little carry, like, girl, this is just a bag. But if you saw my video, my little short that I did on Easter, like, please believe me when I tell you, I could have did that over, but I didn't. It was just something off the cuff. And when I tell you, I felt like I was that girl in that skirt, okay? In that skirt, and I had put that little shirt on top. But baby, it was a whole nother look without that shirt, okay? So please believe me when I tell you. And that skirt made me think of this bag. And I was like, this bag is the perfect accessory piece to go with that bag, to go with that skirt. And it was just a vibe. So let's jump into, this is the package. And girl, I had to get this bag now. I don't want to keep this on my, lap while I'm making the video. But I'm so here for this. I am so here for this. Like, I promise you, I could just make a whole nother video on this little bag by itself. And I love that I have these little charms. Don't ask me why I picked them. I just picked them and I just love it on here. Like, it's giving me the things that I want to receive. And here's the thing. Here's a question, girls. Do you get that? Do you get that feeling, whatever the little feeling is? Because when I tell you, now that I am carrying different bags, like, yes, I feel like I am her, she is me, and we are doing the thing, okay? Believe me when I tell you that part. I just love the skin that I am in. And to any young lady that's looking at this, any older woman, baby, we are doing the things, okay? Because it is embracing who you are and your femininity and taking all the things that you need wherever you need them. And you just know that you have what is needed for you to have to move around. You want to freshen up, baby, it's in your bag, okay? But I did get this from what, guys? Had to get it from a reseller. You know, as much as I talk about the resellers, I just don't like when they are astronomical with the prices. Now, will they keep being around? Yes, they're going to keep being around because of people like me and people like you, very possibly, right? Because we want the junk. So I was not out at any of the stores. Okay, so yes, I did want this bag. And you see in the bag right there, do you know? Do you have an idea what this is? Okay. I guess I have waited long enough, and the reseller, they even let the price be on the bag, honey. Now get into this. All right. I was seeing this. Now let's be transparent in this video. I saw this and I was like, okay, that's cute just by itself, right? I would spend a little $25. No, wait a minute. Maybe I shouldn't say that out loud, right? Fancy, your mouth too big. Just for this little piece right here, okay? When I say adorable, cute, come on, baby. Come on. If you are a Juicy Couture girl, because I'm a Juicy Couture girl. I am. As much as I like luxury, real luxury, LV, because you know I'm an LV girl. Guys, excuse me, what other brands do I really have that's like that I consider luxury? Not too many others. I really spend that extra coin on LV, and they being disrespectful, right? With all the things, they being disrespectful. What is your fashion house of choice? Because even with all the nonsense, Louis Vuitton still is my fashion house of choice. Now I will say this. Now get a good look at this. This is scrumptious, and I am not even a black bag girl. Okay, that's number one. I'm not even a black bag girl. But come on, give it all that it needs to receive, because this, baby, I am a barrel girl though. I do love a good barrel bag, and this barrel bag, she is doing all the things. She is doing all the things that I need her to do. Now, I will say this, guys, about these about these Juicy Couture bags. This is one thing I do not like, even if a Coach bag, but more so with these Juicy Couture bags. When they have these white straps, and then it has this black piping, and this is like the cheapest way that they pipe out the tips of the bag. I am not here, and I can't stress it to you, I am not here for this component. This piece on this bag right here, she giving terrible. Now let me tell you why. You might be like, okay, I seen it and I'm out. But if you are still here listening to me rant and chat on, this is going to wear down extremely fast. This is the part of the bag that gives OD cheap. Like this is the part that tells you this thing, well, they're selling it for $25. For any of my, did I take the tag off? Because I could have swore I saw the tag. Yeah, I took the tag off. Why did I do that without letting you guys see? I dropped the price tag, guys. I don't know. Oh, it's in a box. So everybody does know this barrel bag, because that's something we be needing to know. Like, because I didn't know how much the bag was. I was thinking maybe they were selling the bag for like 30 something bucks, but the bag is $25. And leave in the comments what you think. I think it really pops and stands out because, baby, that red with that little hint of green up against this black, and it's kind of like a, I don't know if this is like a felt material or what type of material. It is definitely leaning toward the old school Juicy. If you know about the old school Juicy, then you know what I'm talking about. And this is, to me, undoubtedly a play on the old school Juicy. anybody that comes across this video, baby, if you are a Juicy Couture girl, let me tell you something. Me, I'm on the hunt for all of these. All of these. If you come across it and you haven't seen me do a video of it, please don't count it robbery to hit your girl up. DM me, IG me, whatever it is, me, okay? And let me know if you got the deets on seeing one of these bags, because I am so on the lookout for the yellow and blue, the pink and blue. There is one that is just like this that has the mini barrel with it. Come on, come through, giving all the things utterly adorable. So guys, that is the video. That is the video. It's giving adorable. It's giving adorable. And see, you know, if you know anything about me now, this is my speed now, guys. I do still have bigger bags, you know, and my bigger bags are not going anywhere. But when I tell you, I am in my small bag girl era, and it's giving me all the things that I personally want to receive. I have learned how to downsize my bags and put all the things that I need into a smaller bag. And baby, I promise you, I might mess around and have more small items in my small purse than all my purse sisters that love all the big bags. Okay, until the next time, guys, bye for now.